This is not a phase, my dear.
I hated KDE and would never leave GNOME.
Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear.
But everything can change.
You're scared from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life.
So many settings, OMG.
Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight. Tonight.
Trying to get closer to GNOME. Arch Plasma 6.
We found it when we were too young to love. Our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning.
Ryzen 9 upgrade.
I wish we could find the space.
Console 25.
Where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, we're happy.
System monitor.
And I don't wanna change it all.
Huge.
And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all.
KDE itinerary.
And I don't wanna change it all. Life be till the end. Tell me stories that I've heard 1,001
NVIDIA
times
KDE.
before.
Haruna player?
Let me fall into your eyes all over again.
KDE partition manager.
I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that
K-count.
I'll give you love you never wanna share tonight.
I didn't live on KDE, finally.
But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing
Marble.
hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, we're happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all.
Desktop style.
And I don't wanna change it all. And I don't wanna change it all. No, no, no.
So many effects. Thanks everyone, and happy 2026. Subscribe and like the video. See you next time on KDE.